Let's talk about the email notification feature in Outgrow. So an email can be sent to the users when they take the quiz, and a similar email can be sent to you so that you're notified about a new lead in the system. So let's see how we can set that up. So to do that, we can head to the configure section here, and now on the left-hand side, you'll see email notifications. Now on the email notifications, you'll see we have two options. First is the user notifications. This is a notification email that goes out to the end users who are taking the quiz. So you just have to toggle this on here. And now you can set up the send from email address, the reply to email address, and you can specify your subject line here, plus the message that goes out to the users. And to personalize this message, you can add all the information that you've collected in the quiz, like their name, their email address, their outcome, and their responses. Now, similarly, you can set up notification to self. This email will be sent to you so that you're notified about this new lead. Again, you can customize the message with all the information that you want, like the responses and the outcomes. Once you're done, you simply just have to publish your calculator or a quiz from here. So that's how you can set up email notifications. Sign up for a 7-day free Outgrow trial today. Thank you.